This is a basic circuit of one-shot timer. Before explaining how the circuit works, let us have an overview of 55 timer IC. This is a 55 timer IC which has 8 pins. Pin 8 is VCC pin. We can give voltage from plus 5 volt to plus 18 volts. Pin 1 is a ground pin. Pin 2 is a trigger pin. It will trigger the output if voltage applied is less than 1/3 of VCC. Pin 3 is output pin. Pin 4 is a reset pin. 0 volt or ground connected to this terminal will reset the output. If reset pin is not to be used, then it should be connected to plus VCC to avoid false triggering. Pin 5 is a control voltage pin. The threshold and trigger levels are controlled using this pin. If it is not connected, then it should be connected to ground using a 0.01 microfarad capacitor to avoid noise problems. Pin 6 is a threshold pin. When voltage applied to this terminal is greater than 2/3 of VCC, then the output gets reset. Pin 7 is a discharge pin. This pin is used to discharge the capacitor to ground using 555 IC internal circuit. Now let us simulate and see the working of this circuit. When we press this button, the trigger pin gets 0 volt and the output gets high for a certain time duration. Let us see in this graph. If we press this button, the output gets high for a certain time duration. When we press this button, the capacitor 1.3 microfarad starts charging through this 1 kilo ohm resistor. It starts charging from this resistor 1 kilo ohm, and as soon as the capacitor voltage reaches 8 volts, which is 2/3 of VCC volt, which is 12 volt. So 2/3 of VCC is 8 volts. So when the capacitor reaches 8 volt across its terminal, the pin 7, it starts discharging the capacitor. Let us see this. Duration of on time of pulse can be adjusted by varying the resistor and the capacitor values. Let us increase the value of resistor from 1 kilo ohm to 2 kilo ohm. This will decrease the charging current of capacitor, and now capacitor will take more time to charge, and so it will take more time to build 8 volts across its terminal, and so the output remains on for a longer time. Let us see. So now the on time is increased. If we further increase the value of resistor, say let it be 4 kilo ohm, then it will increase the duration of this on time. Also note that if we press the button multiple times, then also it does not affect the output pulse. This circuit is perfectly a one-shot timer circuit.